टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकीन. सो दिस इज आवर होम गार्डन वेजिटेबल, दॅट इज आमचें गोवन पोडोय. वी कॉल इट पोडोय and English it is snake gourd. So we are going to make a very simple quick recipe with very few ingredients. First of all, you scrape all this. It's very tender. Okay, so here it is done, and this is actually very tender, but yeah, there is a skin. So now we can make anything out of this. So let's keep this aside, no wasting. And now we will cut this into like this. Okay, and then we will give a like this. So like this only do with all the masalas, all this. So हे कातरून घेयात. ओके, बियो टेंडर आसा, सो ओके, नाजाल्यार मातशें काडात. Now what we need is salt. We'll make a masala out of this. So 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we need half teaspoon of hing. I like more hing, but you can add accordingly. Then 2 teaspoon of chili powder. So spicy, non-spicy chili powder, it's up to you, but it should be red powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric. So we mix all this. And we put in this. So stuff masala in this. So if it is big, then you need more. Then we need little bit of chana ka atta just to combine them later. And now oil, and we will do our recipe. Once the oil is hot, we will add this. No adding water. We'll cover and cook this. And the remaining masala we can put from top. Now we'll mix this. So this will leave its own water. And now we will add our basil powder from top. So 1 tablespoon. And here it is done. So depending on your podoi, that is snake gourd, if it is not tender, then you will have to add little water. If it is tender, then no need. It's simple, no onion, no garlic, no much masala, and just enjoy that flavor. So hope you all will enjoy this. Manta तुमका हे सगळ्यांक आवडटले आनी तुमी करून खातेले ही भाजी. क्विक आणि सिंपल आणि हे शिजतकच बंद करूंक जाय. अजुनी मातशें उरला, सारकें शिजोंक जाय आनी ते मसाले सगळे एक जातले आमी भरल्या पळय ते, आनी ते पण बरे भाजतले. ओके, थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं आनी तुमी करून खायात. तुमकां जाय बारीक आनी बारीक कातरात, मोठे जाय मोठे कातरात, पूण करात आनी खायात. थँक्यू.
And here it is, wonderful and tasty Goan Poddoi snake. Thank you.